This is a 10 minutes guided meditation session for beginners. As the cozy winters are on full throttle, this in my opinion is an ideal time for a beginner to dive into this divine practice. Well, do not worry, even if you have never meditated, in this 10-minute session, I will guide you at every step. This video is in association with the Tribe Concepts Anti-Dandruff Treatment Kit. Well, more about that later. Now don't just watch this video. Come on, take a comfortable seat and let's meditate together. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Unlike other yogic practices, the beauty of meditation is that it can be practiced anywhere and at any time. However, I would recommend that you choose a relatively silent place with minimum distractions, preferably in a dark room. If possible, take a comfortable seat on the floor with mat underneath to avoid earthing. You can sit in any asana that you are comfortable in. Dhyan Mudra, also known as Samadhi Mudra, is best for meditation. Although you can keep your hands whichever way is more comfortable to you. Now let's begin, shall we? Alright, so once you have sat comfortably with your spine erect and neck straight, gently close your eyes. Keep your body straight yet relaxed. Now take a deep breath in through your nostrils and then slowly breathe out through your nostrils. Do it thrice. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe normally. Focus your entire attention on your normal breath, natural breath. Do not try to control your breath in any way. Simply watch the breath coming in and then going out. Watch it from a distance. Do not pass any judgment about it. Do not criticize it. Just accept the way it is. Observe every inhalation and exhalation vigilantly. Thoughts might crop up. It's okay. Do not react to them. Let them be. Don't even label them as positive or negative. Simply ignore them. Bring your attention back to your breath. At all times, keep your attention fixed at the entrance of your nostrils. Just as a vigilant watchman is aware of every person who has entered the building and every person who has come out of it, be aware of every breath that comes in and every breath that goes out. Let not even a single inhalation or exhalation pass without your notice. Be alert, be attentive, be vigilant. If you hear some sounds in your vicinity, maybe a car honking, a dog barking, birds chirping, whatever it may be, ignore them. Don't get distracted by them. Don't label them disturbing or soothing either. Simply bring your attention back to the breath. Observe how the air enters your nostrils. Observe how it feels moving through your nostrils. Observe the transition between the inhalation and exhalation. Observe that slight pause between inhalation and exhalation. Observe how the air moves out. Try to observe each passing breath as minutely, as vigilantly as you can. But observe it from a distance, without any judgment, without labeling it. The breath simply is. It is the way it is. It goes in and goes out all the time. Simply be conscious of it. Do nothing. Change nothing. Initially, when you watch your breath, your mind tries to poke you with thoughts. This, that. But do not feel irritated or agitated. It's rather good that you are being aware of the nature of your mind. The more you pay attention to these thoughts, the more they will increase in number. Simply bring your attention back on the breath, and you will notice that slowly but surely the intensity and the quantity of these thoughts will decrease. Remain totally aware, fully observant, vigilant to every breath that comes in and every breath that goes out. Doing nothing, labeling nothing, simply watching from a distance without passing any judgment, accepting every moment as it is. Try to observe each passing breath as minutely, as vigilantly as you can. Let not even a single breath go in without your notice. Try to observe from which nostril you are breathing in. Is it the right nostril or your left nostril is working at this moment? Pay close attention. It's okay if you are not able to figure it out. Slowly, as you practice, you will know. Remain as alert as you can. Constantly aware of your natural breath, the incoming breath, the outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. Be completely aware. Keep your attention fixed at the entrance of your nostrils, like a gatekeeper, like a watchman. aware of every breath entering the nostrils, aware of every breath moving out of the nostrils. Let not even a single inhalation or exhalation pass without your notice. Now slowly open your eyes. Well done. You have completed this meditation session. So how was it spending time with yourself? Taking out just 10 minutes for this session, you will soon begin to feel a calmness within your mind. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The actual benefits are beyond measure. Every day you will come up with new observations. It's an exciting journey inwards. The key lies in being consistent. Gradually you can meditate without the voiceover as well. The very essence of this meditation is to remain conscious of not just our breath, but also our every action mentally and physically. If you have any doubts, I recommend you check out this video I made on meditation covering almost every aspect of it. Did you find this video helpful? If you want me to make more such sessions, please give a big thumbs up. Suffering from dandruff? Get your hands on the Tribe Concepts Anti-Dandruff Treatment Kit, which includes their anti-dandruff hair mask, 90-day miracle hair oil, and an organic hair cleanser. Go through their ingredients and you will find that all these three products are made solely from herbs. Absolutely no harsh chemicals. What's more impressive is their stainless steel and glass packaging, which keeps the efficacy of the product. Simply take the mask into a bowl and mix it with the required amount of water and apply it generously on your scalp. Leave the mask on for an hour, then wash it off with their organic hair cleanser. You can then apply their miracle hair oil. To buy the Tribe Concepts Anti-Dandruff Treatment Kit, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also share your meditation experiences with me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.